Hello guys, I'm Paris, the options guy, and welcome back to my channel. And today we see markets making a very good red candle. Both Bank Nifty and Nifty basically slipping down a lot, right? And today if we see Nifty has closed below this channel for the first time, right? Every time before that Nifty did not close strongly below that channel, but today if we see Nifty has closed below that channel for the first time. So what you guys can do for tomorrow is going to be very simple. Now the trend has surely changed a little bit over here. Please keep that in mind. The trend is not bullish as of now. When will it be bullish is about 22,300. This will be the level that you need to watch out for. But if the level do change, if the levels do change, then also we will look at it. But yes, the trend has changed definitely in both Nifty and Bank Nifty. If you look in the daily chart, very bearish. Both Nifty also very bearish. Even if I just move my trend line over here, Nifty is just looking very bearish, right? Close to this trend line, but in my opinion, the trend line has broken, and now it looks like Nifty could continue to move down. But we cannot really take a selling position. Why? Because there is no sort of pullback in the market, right? Today, if you see, there was one trap that was made over here at the top, right? If you see, Bank Nifty went above previous days high. Let me just go ahead and open that for you guys. Yes, if we see Bank Nifty went above previous days high, took resistance from this gap and then started to move down, right? So you could have taken a short position over there thinking that all the buyers were trapped, and you would have made good money from there if you would have held till the lower levels, right? Now looking at the market, you cannot think about taking a bullish position as of now. Maybe you might take a position for a pullback, that is fine, but you cannot really be bullish on the market as of now, right? When will we be bullish is that, let's say if a candle like this is made in the market, then we can think about being bullish, right? Or if a candle, if we see some sort of a positive price action like we saw over here, then we can think about being bullish, right? But as of now, we cannot really think about being bullish. Same thing with Nifty also. Nifty has closed below this trend line. This was a very crucial trend line, and Nifty has closed below that, right? So now it looks like the market has started to move negatively over here, right? Market has become pretty negative over here. So now can we sell over here? The question is, sorry, the answer is no. We cannot really take a selling position over here because the market is very much stretched, and that's the problem. The market has not really given us any sort of a pullback. We were saying that, once the market gives a little bit of pullback on the upside and we get some sort of a trap being made in the market, we will go ahead and take a short position. But that has not really happened, right? If you see, market has been moving down, market has been moving continuously on the downside. Bank Nifty, yes, did give a trap over it, but that was a very small pullback, right? Did give a pullback, which was also a trap, but that was very small pullback. We were expecting if Bank Nifty breaks this trend line and then starts moving down, we will take a short position, but that did not really happen over here. So what we guys can do is that if the markets close again negatively over here tomorrow also at lower levels, we can expect a very good move in the coming weeks in the market, right? So yes, we have lost some of the, basically you can say, some of the momentum that has happened in the market, but do not worry, because if the market starts moving down from here, the market can move down a lot, right? Because now the market, there hasn't been a selling like this in the market previously, right? This is a very good selling that is happening in the market, and due to the right reasons. If you see, every day FIIs are coming and selling in huge quantities, and DIIs cannot really compensate fully for that. Yes, DIIs are buying, but that they cannot really compensate completely for the sort of selling that FIIs are doing. Now what you can do for tomorrow is going to be very simple. If we open with a gap down, right? If Bank Nifty opens with a gap down anywhere near below 47,400, then we'll first of all wait for a pullback till 47,500. In this area of 47,600 to 500, if we see market making negative price action, then you guys can go ahead and take a short trade in the market. Now why am I saying so is that, looking at the price action or looking at the strength of the selling, it looks like the market, even if you open with a gap down, it will take a pullback and then it can start to move down again, right? So if we open with a gap down, it would be very good if you open somewhere near 47,300 or a little below it. Then you can think about taking a bullish trade, right? But please keep that in mind that your basically your quantity should be very less because you're going against a very strong trend, right? So this will just be a trade with small targets for a pullback over here. And then once the market comes near 47,600 to 500 over here, we'll look for negative price action in the market, and then we will take a short position again, because now the market has become pretty bearish. And until and unless we get a very good bullish engulfing candle in the market, right, something like this that has been made tomorrow, if we do not get a candle like this, then chances are that the market can slide down very much from here, because then it looks like the hope for bulls is completely over and nobody is ready to buy at lower levels, right? Because if you see, every time, even over here, the market, the market was bearish the whole week, and then in the end of the week, market gave a very, very good buying candle. So tomorrow, if we do not see any sort of a buying candle like this, please do not think about buying in the market, right? Do not think that the selling is over and all that stuff. Yes, I was saying that there will be a little bit of selling, but now that the price action that has been made in the market is telling us a different story. So we need to change our stance over here in the market until and unless we get some sort of other evidence of bullishness in the market. So I hope that is very clear, and I hope you understood what exactly can happen in the market. If we open with a gap up somewhere near 47,700, 800, all these levels, then we'll wait for a pullback till 48,000 levels. This trend line is going to be very important, and chances are market once comes near this trend line, you can go ahead and take a short position again once you see a very good rejection candle that is made in the market, or you can wait for negative price action near this candle. So basically 48,000 can again act as a resistance, and we can expect a very, very good move on the downside from 48,000, right? So if we open with a gap up, we'll let the market go, and we'll see where exactly the market is taking resistance, right? Maybe it might be at 48,000, or maybe it might be somewhere near 47,000 950, all these levels also, right? But best thing would be if the market comes near this area, near this trend line, and then starts to take resistance. That will be the best area to take a short position in Bank Nifty, right? And then once you see market making a rejection candle or making negative price action, you guys can go ahead and take a short position over there. If we open flat, please do not take a short position as soon as we go below 47,430. I know you would be very tempted, and maybe market might make a very big red candle also, which could give you very good profits. But the market is already so oversold that maybe market might go down and again take liquidity and start to move up. So I wouldn't recommend taking a short trade as soon as we go below 47,000, basically today's low. If you even want to take a trade with small quantity and not a very big quantity, right? So talking about Nifty, if you see Nifty again not giving us any sort of move on the upside where we could take a short position, right? Just continuously moving on the downside. Now 22,100 will be the area where you will see good pressure coming in Nifty, right? So 22,100 is where, if we take a pullback from here, 22,100 is where we'll go ahead and take a short position. 22,100 to 130 will be the area where you can expect the market to take some sort of a market to make some sort of negative price action. Maybe a little bit up also till 22,160. But yes, the market should not go above that, because if the market goes above that level, then chances are that the market might again become bullish, or at least just consolidate and not continue its downtrend. So if you open flat, you can think about taking a short position, but same thing as Bank Nifty, you will need to wait for the market to give you a little bit of consolidation over here and then break down, right? And as I didn't say this in Bank Nifty's case, but yes, if the market consolidates over here after opening and then breaks down below 20,930, basically today's low, then you can think about taking a short trade in both Nifty and Bank Nifty. If you open with a gap down somewhere near 20,850, 100 points or more, then you can think about taking a pullback trade over here and going bullish from lower levels till 22,000 to 22,950, right? Over here in this area, square off your position, and then once the market starts making negative price action, you guys can again go ahead and take a short trade over here, right? If we open with a gap up, right, this area, as I said, will be the area where you need to take a short position again, right? So once you see market making negative price action in this area, you guys can go ahead and take a bullish trade over there. So yeah, guys, the market has changed a little bit over here. The market is telling us now that it has become pretty bearish. But tomorrow, if somehow we get a very good recovery in the market, for Nifty it will be 22,200, and for Bank Nifty it will be 48,000. If the market closes above these two levels, then chances are there are still chances of recovery and bullishness in the market. But as I say, price action will tell you everything. So just look at the price action that is being made in the market and go with the flow. So yeah, guys, that was it for today, and thank you for watching till the end, and I'll see you tomorrow in another video. Bye bye.